Natural disasters are gentle reminders by Mother Nature that if we litter the ocean and rivers with waste, it will come back. If we wipe out forests, there will be floods. And if we cause pollution, there will be global warming. The video was shared on Twitter with the caption, "A river has thrown all the trash back at us." The video shows a bridge completely flooded with plastic bottles and other non-biodegradable wastes. The viral video has left netizens terrified who claimed that it was a return gift from nature. A river returning back the favor and all the plastic we gifted it. Plastic is forever, commented a user. Another user wrote, "Nature returning every last piece of crap we gave her." A third user wrote, "This is a message we see at every flood, yet no one changes. No improvement in the way we manage trash. Governments are not doing their job."